Okay, flossing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, ENTHUSIAST, man, and you're tuned in for another one. Back at the junkyard to bring y'all exclusive. But let me tell you a little something. Use that code LSCR10 to get 10% off that Oh My Clear. Because when you see it, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. Yes, sir. Also, holler at that boy, DJ Jamalot. Get your hat. DJ Jamalot on Instagram, Terry Hill on Facebook. Also, use that code LSCR. Free shipping at LSX Innovations. Get your free shipping on your order. Let's get into it. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST, man, showing you some new stuff that I've been got for the garage. As we continue to get everything put together in place, new shelf is up. So now my workbench is pretty much completely mine. As soon as I get it organized, probably put another fan up here. This is the fan that I had before, 20-inch max air. I went ahead and bit the bullet and grabbed this one from Harbor Freight, 30-inch pedestal shop fan, and it is over there. I just finished putting it together, hooking it up, and it is doing its thing. You hear me? And I can feel it all over here, and eventually cool everything off and whatnot. So when I still got this one, I'll put it over here maybe on the table or in a different corner. That's the one. That's the one you want. That's the one you want. And if it ain't the one you want, it's definitely the one you need. As far as the air circulating, I'm not really sure because it's kind of just pointed midway now. So over here, I mean, it might be a little warmer. So the other fan can probably just sit here or on the shelf or something. I'll figure something out and then we can do it this way. But this speaker box will not always be there, so that's why I'm not trying to base it off of that. I mean, it sounds like an airplane, but I mean, that bit moving air. And that's what we wanted. So, that fan, we can pretty much like take, it'll be more portable. If we outside working on the Chevy, we take it out there with a extension cord, blow it in there so we ain't burning hell up. So yeah, back over here, as you can see, I have a router. Got this router from the pawn shop for the low. Focus. Let the people know. $89.99. Not a bad buy. Brand new, they like one some. The good thing about this one is the fact that it is not just, but wait, there's more. It's not just a fixed base router. It comes with an additional base. Excuse me, as usual, I got stuff everywhere and I'm working on it. God's not through with me yet, but we're making progress. Like, this is cleaned off. This is like making progress. Okay. Let me find this other base. Wait one. Alright, so we back. Alright, so not only is it a fixed router like that, boom, it is also a plunge router. So it's really like a 2-in-1. And I mean, for the money, I guess you can't beat it. I don't know how deep I'm gonna go with this stuff. Shout out to my boy Steve. I consulted with him before I got it. Said it was good price. You know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and jumped on it. One thing that I did notice was missing, and this is something that you should probably check before, like the collet is missing. But I got the I'm in the process of getting rid of this shelf after I get everything boxed up. So this will be gone. I'm gonna try to put the bike over here in this corner, and then so the only thing was it was missing collet. This is like what 1/4 inch shank. So what I did is I got on the handy dandy trusty, see, because that's not gonna fit in there like that. That wasn't gonna work. So hopefully the collet thing I ordered should be enough to fill it in and whatnot. If not, then I have to go back to drawing board. But these are the one here that I ordered. Let's see. Yeah, comes with two. I actually just got in today, so I went ahead and shot the video. Let me pull this off, put it in there, and see what happens. Alright, so we got a prep set up. So this here, the collet we just bought, that's gonna drop down inside of there, like so. That goes like so. That's gonna go in there like so. And then the little lever you push in here so that you can keep it from spinning. Let me do that for you. Alright, so after tightening it down, looks like we got it in there the way it's supposed to be. Beautiful, beautiful. We can drop some more light here. There we go. You know, I don't like that. I don't like that shadow shit, man. I like to have that shit lit. Literally. So yeah, that's spinning as one. As you can see there, like I said. I'm gonna plug it up, man, right quick. Let's see what it do. Alright, so just taking on a little run, man. Let me show you what it do. So basically, this rotor is gonna take your edges of your table from looking like this, you know what I mean, to looking like this. Like a nice rounded off. I don't even know if I just grabbed a bit. I really wasn't paying attention, but yeah, that's what it takes it to. My depth may be a little bit off because it's a lip right there, but I mean, this ain't no round video. This is just to, you know, show y'all what it do. So that was just a little demonstration. You know what I'm saying? Take it from that to that. I mean, I ain't even like no woodworking details kind of person, but I mean, that looks damn good. Damn good. So yeah, man, just another piece to the puzzle. You know what I'm saying? On the garage remodel, getting ready for the next phase. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate y'all watching the video, man. Like I said, it's all about getting the workshop organized and cooled off, so that we can be out here making this progress, banging these projects out. That came from Harbor Freight. This came from the local pawn shop, so check the local pawn shops. You know what I'm saying? Get your router if you want. If not, man, that's cool too. It's your boy, LSJ Route 2x4. Oh yeah, that's coming together kind of nice too. Alright, man, it's your boy, LSJ Route 2x4. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.